Post-processing software, MPR interface operation. After opening the image, on the MPR page, you can adjust display parameters such as slice thickness, window width, and window level. The main views include the axial, sagittal, coronal, and 3D windows. In each view, drag the slider on the right or scroll the mouse wheel to adjust the slice position. Hold down the left mouse button and drag up or down to zoom in or out. Double-click the corresponding window to enlarge that view, and double-click again to restore the original layout. Hover the mouse over the center of the crosshairs and a circle will appear. Drag it to select the viewing position. Hover the mouse over the crosshair line near the center, and a two-way arrow will appear. Drag left and right or up and down to pan. Hover the mouse over the crosshair line farther from the center, and a rotating icon will appear. Drag to rotate. The crosshairs in the axial, sagittal, and coronal views all support the operations above. The 3D window provides 7% display modes, which can be switched through the drop-down menu. You can also click the icons on the right side of the window to change the viewing angle. In the 3D window, scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to rotate the 3D model. Click the VOI box tool on the right. Hover the mouse over the corresponding plane. And once the plane turns green, drag to crop it. Click Sync Point to display a synchronized marker point corresponding to the crosshairs. When you move the crosshairs in any plane, the marker point moves accordingly. Click the Zoom tool and leave click anywhere in the window to magnify the corresponding area. Several AI tools are provided on the right side. Click the Auto Nerve Canal button to automatically trace the mandibular canal. After the tracing is completed, click Tissue Info to adjust display properties such as color and transparency. Click Airway Analysis to automatically analyze the airway. After the analysis is completed, the narrowest part of the airway will be displayed automatically. You can also view the airway contours in different windows. Click Jawbone segment to automatically separate and highlight the relevant tissues. Click Tooth segment to automatically segment the teeth. In Tooth Info on the right, you can choose which teeth to display and whether to highlight the dental pulp. Basic measurement tools are provided in the lower right corner. Select distance, then hold down the left mouse button and drag in any area to measure. Right-click to cancel the selected tool. Select the annotation with the left mouse button and right-click to bring up the menu. Click Delete Anno or press the Delete key on the keyboard to delete the corresponding annotation. Select the Angle tool and click the 3 endpoints in sequence to complete the measurement. Select the Text tool, left-click to display a text box, and then enter the text. Select Rectangle or Ellipse. Then hold down the left mouse button and drag to view information such as areas and CT values for the selected region. Select the Polygon tool, left-click to draw each vertex in sequence, and finally double-click the left mouse button at the endpoint to complete the polygon measurement. Select the Curve tool, then hold down the left mouse button and drag to draw a curve. Select the Bone Density tool, hold down the left mouse button and drag to encircle the target area to measure its bone density. Select the Line Density tool. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to measure bone density along a line segment. Select the Clear tool to remove all annotations with one click. Click the Info tool to show or hide patient information. To restore the interface to its initial layout, click Reset in the upper right corner. Sharing technology for healthy lives.